Hello, my name is Nancy here at SpaRenity. I am the lead esthetician. Today we are doing what's called a pumpkin peel. The purpose of the pumpkin is to deliver enzymes and antioxidants to the skin that creates a renewal of sorts at the basal layer. So it tells the new layers of skin to start producing and applies its antioxidant therapy as well. It does have a lot of enzymes in it, about 27, so it creates a tingling effect on the skin, no doubt. It does also have an aroma of pumpkin. It also has cinnamon and clove, and so we're just going to start applying lightly at the top, the forehead, and the cheeks, and this is where people most often feel that sensation, if they're going to feel it. And it's also our responsibility to check in and see how the client's feeling. So, are you feeling any kind of tingling going on? Slightly. Slightly, on a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate it? I think it's about a 2. Alright. We only leave this on as the customer tolerates for 30 seconds to 2 minutes. So we're going to give this just a minute or so, see how her pain scale or toleration scale remeasures, and then move on with steps 3, 4, and 5. Okay, we've just finished with our pumpkin peel treatment from Physician's Choice of Arizona. We started with the cleanser and then with the Beta C Nutritioner, which is like a toner, just to see the tolerance level is on a scale of 1 to 10. She rated her tolerance of the toner at about a 1, so we proceeded with the mask, which you saw earlier. And the mask we were only able to leave on about 2.5 minutes, but that's normal. Sometimes we have 30 seconds, sometimes we have 3 minutes, not really much longer than that. We rinsed the product off thoroughly and then applied the Beta C gel, which also has the pumpkin enzymes in there, vitamin A derivatives, as well as aloe and things that are calming and soothing to the skin. Clove and cinnamon are also antioxidants that are vitamin A derivatives that are going to cause the skin to start reproducing and correcting any free radical damage. Lastly, we finished up in the pumpkin treatment itself with the balm, which active ingredient in here is Visibol, which is known to hydrate the skin, so she won't feel that period of tightening and drying out, even though we're probably going to have a little bit of crumbling of the skin because her pain scale did get up to about a 6 or 7. Just to be on the safe side, we might see some crumbling, like pencil eraser shavings. And the last 2 ingredients that we do is a rebalance from Physician's Choice Arizona, PCA, and then the Hydrator Plus, which has a little bit of sunscreen in it. We are in the Florida zoned area, so we don't want to send her out after this kind of a treatment without sunscreen, or anywhere else in the country for that matter. And the other thing that we discussed is that these treatments are good for every 3 weeks. If you want to keep a tightened, rejuvenated look, it can be done every 3 weeks or at least once a month after that for a nice healthy glow and correcting anything that the stresses of the world have caused for your skin. A nice thing on an end note here is always remember your sunscreen, and if you aren't using it, you should get yourself a topical vitamin C because it acts like a natural photoprotectant to the nucleus of the cell and is a natural skin lightener and will act wonderfully with the vitamin A derivatives that were in the pumpkin peel. How do you feel? Right? How does your skin feel right now?
Feels nice and clean and soft.
Okay. And she's glowing.